Foundations of Oil Painting is an 8-week course that is perfect for you if you have never painted before, or if you are wanting to move over to oil painting from another medium, or if you have some experience with oil painting, but you want to improve your work or you worry that you've been doing it wrong. The focus of this class can be described in 3 main themes. 1 is understanding oil painting techniques and materials. 2 is understanding color mixing, and 3 is learning how to use color to create form and depth. In 8 lessons, I will share with you a handful of different approaches to oil painting techniques, all while sharing how to understand color and the keys to creating realism in your paintings. The first several classes consist of structured exercises that are designed to give you familiarity with and control over the medium. Gradually, the lessons open up in order to allow more choices in subject matter, and finally the class culminates with 2 lessons that are dedicated to a personalized project. This class will take you from 0 to painting your own ideas in 2 months, regardless of your experience level.